In my earlier video, I covered composite functions. Today I want to show you how to solve composite function questions when you're given a table instead of merely expressions or equations. Before we solve composite functions in table form questions, let's review just regular functions. What is f of 5? If you notice, our f of x is this column and our x is this column. So when we have f of 5, that means our x is 5. So what's our f of x? Our f of x is 2 when you have 5. What's f of 9? Your x is now 9, so your f of x is 12. And what's f of 1? Your x is 1, therefore your f of 1 is 6. And what if I were to ask the question in another form? What is x if f of x equals 3? Well, if f of x equals 3, our x equals 4. From here, when f of x is 3, your x is 4. Now let's apply that idea to solving composite functions. So I have two tables of functions. One is f of x and one of g of x. So how do we find f of g of 5? Recall, we can rewrite it as f of g of 5. You don't have to, but I like to write it in this form because it's more intuitive. So in this case, what is our x? Our x is 5 in the g of x table. So let's look at our x equals 5 in the g of x table. When x equals 5, our g of x is -1. So we can change it to f of -1. Now our new x is -1. So let's look at our f of x table and find your x of -1. If your x is -1, what's f of x? That equals 3. Now what if I were to reverse the order? Now I want to find g of f7. Let's rewrite it as g of f7. So we're going to first look at our f of x table, which is this table, and let's find our f of x when x equals 7. Our f of x is 9, to g of 9. So therefore our x is 9. What is our g of x when x equals 9? X equals 9, g of x equals 12. If you like this lesson, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for notifications. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. I offer notes, lessons, worksheets with full answer solutions, as well as offer online tutoring services. Links below. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this lesson helpful.